You can find shows, open apps, and move through Sky Q using your voice. All you need is a paired Sky Q remote with a voice button on the side or front. Your Sky Q box also needs to be connected to the internet. To use voice control, press and hold the voice button and speak clearly into the microphone below the Sky button. Then let go. Billions. You can move through shows, fast forward, open apps, Netflix. Move around Sky Q. Go to TV Guide. Go to Sky Atlantic. Change accessibility settings. Turn on subtitles. And more. For more, go to sky.com/help.